Hi ladies, so if you find that you're struggling with bloating and fluid retention during your period, I want to share an amazing recipe that's going to help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end because the recipe will be right there together with the products. Every time you have your period, you're actually going through hormonal fluctuations when it comes to estrogen and progesterone. This particular recipe is going to help you because it's going to balance the levels of estrogen, of progesterone, and it's also going to get rid of inflammation. It's going to get rid of excess fluid. Sometimes when these hormones are in balance, you actually hold on to more fluid in your body. That's why when you have your period, you find that either you feel like you've gained a lot more weight or your stomach is swollen and bloated and so forth. Check out this video so that you can be able to see how to prepare this recipe. That way you get rid of all the bloating and pain during your period. Thank you so much for watching the video. I want to remind you to hit the subscribe button. That way you know every single time we post a new video. And also don't forget to follow Wellness KE on Instagram at well_NSKE. That way you get to learn everything related to your reproductive health.